We've all been there. We've all had days, maybe weeks or months, where we just simply don't feel like practicing. And when we don't feel like practicing, it can be really difficult to motivate ourselves to get to the piano. So sometimes you have to employ a little bit of trickiness to get yourself to the keyboard. And then once you're kind of in the flow, everything's great and you kind of get back into the routine. So in order to get yourself motivated, we're gonna spark some creativity, we're gonna have some fun, and I'm gonna give you something really simple that will give you so many things that you can kind of branch out and do to help you feel creative and enjoy the keyboard. We are gonna be working with 4 chords, really simple ones: A minor, A, C, E, G, which is G, B, and D, C, which is C, E, G, and then F, which is F, A, C. So to get comfortable, just move through these shapes for a moment. I'm playing a full chord, a triad with my right hand, and the root and the fifth in my left. And I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's pretty, it sounds kind of poppy. If you write music, you might be thinking of some ideas already. Once you get comfortable there, keep this going, but we're gonna play a pattern in our right hand. We're gonna go 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. So I'm moving my hand into the exact same positions I was before, but instead of playing these 3 notes together, I'm playing 1, my 2, and my 5. And it's sounding really pretty. Now when you're ready, start to get a little bit creative and play with some different rhythms. Maybe move up and down. 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5. It's kind of fun. And then to kind of get your hand independence engaged a little bit, play root and fifth broken. Adding in little bits of flair and pizzazz as you feel ready. And then once you get comfortable there, start to branch out even further with your left hand. Instead of playing a root and a fifth, maybe you want to play a broken root, fifth root. This is where your hands are going to start to get a little bit more coordinated. And I recommend keeping it simple until you get bored and your hands can do it without you really thinking about it. And then it's time to add another layer of complexity. Once you've got this, maybe you'll add a third. So I'm playing 1, 2, 5, and 3. Go. There's something really simple that gives you a lot of options for you to branch out from and explore. It sounds cool. It'll get your creative mind going. It'll reconnect you to the piano. And then once you're ready, you'll get out those good old scales so that you can practice this in different keys. So comment below, let me know what you think, and happy practicing.